Today, I will give you some idea about a cryptocurrency site that can blow your mind. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Safu Network is a decentralized finance project that will allow users to access transparent loans, insurance contracts, joint investment, and more. Safu Network's charity program will help in fighting poverty and helping vulnerable groups of people to survive. With this program, they aim to allocate 2% of Safu Network's profits to charity programs. Safu Network has the most secure cryptocurrency and fiat wallet in the world with all decentralized finance features. Cryptocurrency is a sort of money which uses progressed records as money. Ordinarily, the records are made using comparable methodologies as cryptography. Advanced monetary forms use decentralized control, which infers that they are not obliged by one individual or government. This is asserted to concentrate electronic money and public banks. The control of each computerized cash works through a scattered record or an overview of trades shared by everyone. Typically a blockchain that fills in as a public money-related trade information collection. The universe of decentralized record rotates around the blend of standard bank organizations with blockchain development. In the wake of blowing onto the scene in August 2018, the business has amassed a strong after and a value of more than $67.65 billion. Close to 30 of the best 100 cryptographic type of cash as of now situated by market cap similarly feature on the overview of decentralized finance project. This number is likely going to keep going as more monetary benefactors fill the market. On the off chance that you are restless to enter the market or sink your ties further into it, presently is the ideal chance. Safu Network has the world's safest cryptocurrency and fiat-compatible wallet, a multifunctional wallet containing a high-yield farming and static staking pool, which helps you store, send, receive, buy, sell, swap, and stake for passive income quickly and securely with all the advantages of the other wallets and decentralized or centralized exchanges. But you are retaining complete control of your funds within your Safu wallet. By saving your seed phase, you have controlled your funds, and with Safe Network, funds are Safu. User access to transparent loans, insurance contracts, joint investment, and more financial freedom that allows not only to convert inefficient money into efficient money, but to do so in a safer manner. Safu Network's charity program will help in fighting back poverty and helping vulnerable groups to survive. With this program, they aim to allocate 2% of Safu Network's profit to charity programs. That's why Safu is here for you. So guys, join Safu Network and start to income now. At Safu Network, they mean to keep on showing you some magic in what they do. Safu also plan to develop a phenomenal endeavor which every one of you will love and call your family to join ASAP. They will dispatch their direct anyway strong structure 1.0 of their website with fundamental yet strong features ahead. Don't relinquish them as Safu are conceding to give you what you need. It is because they understand that good thing is not done speed up yet requires critical speculation. If you have more questions, kindly visit their website. Thank you everyone for staying with me still to the end of the video.